These instructions will assist you in connecting your VAIL Cast to your home's Wi-Fi network using Google Home. If you don't already, please download the Google Home app for your phone. In this case, we'll be using an iPhone, but it's nearly identical if you have an Android phone. First, click Google Home. Then, click the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner. Click Set up Device. Select New Devices. If you don't already have a home named, you can do it at this time. In this case, we're just using Your Home. Click Next. At this point, it's looking for your VAIL Cast. Be patient. Then you'll see VAIL Cast followed by a series of numbers and letters that are unique to your VAIL Cast. Click Next. It's now connecting the phone to the VAIL Cast. If you have speakers connected to your VAIL Cast, you should hear a sound at this time. If you do, click Yes. We're going to opt out on this right now. No thanks. Now you can select the room or create a room that you want to be associated with your VAIL Cast. In this case, we're going to select Office. Click Next. This is where you get to select the Wi-Fi network that your VAIL Cast will be connected to. By default, it chooses the Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. We're going to just click Next. At this point, your phone is assisting your VAIL Cast in connecting to your home's Wi-Fi network. Be patient, this takes some time. You are now connected to the VAIL Cast, or at least I should say your home's Wi-Fi network is connected to your VAIL Cast.